Hello Dr. Abid. For the assignment 4, I have created a web page to display two labels with the first name and last name, and the second label will be displaying the course name and the course number. And I've created a 4 drop down to display the to select the college name and the department name and the time which they were created, and the final output will be displaying the selected college name and the department and the time when they are created with the calendar which I have displayed. So as you can see, this is the page code, and you can see the first the label 1 and the label 2, which shows the first name and last name as label 1, and the label 2 shows the course name and the course number. And here you can see the calendar I have added. um, so I basically just added the calendar and just altered them using the design panel. Here I've just clicked on the properties, so auto format. So by that I have made this one, this UA. And the second one is the drop down, which I have used for selecting the time. So this is for selecting the hours, and once the hour is selected, then the backend code is written for selecting these minutes. It's a 24-hour clock. And then the third drop down will display the list of colleges, and the fourth drop down will be displaying the um, departments for each colleges. And there are two buttons. First button is to set the time and the date, and the second button is to display the colleges. So let me go ahead and let me show the backend code as well. So what happens, so here you can see the uh, uh, code which will be performed for each click for the page load. This will be visible. The LB3B label will be false. And yeah, for the first index change, so for when you click on when you select the first drop down, the second drop down will be enabled by using this code. And here it's for calendar selection. When you select the date, it goes to the label date. And over here, when you select the college, it populates the department by the if statement. So if the College of Arts is selected, then these are the department will be populated, and College of Business, these are the department. So and then on. And this is for, like, once you click on the first button, the first button over here, it displays the date that which we have selected, and this will, when we click on the display button, this final output will be displayed. Let me go ahead and run the code. So this is my web page. Here you can see my name and the course name and the course number, and the calendar page, and the time drop down, the two buttons for setting and displaying, and other two drop downs for showing the college and selecting the department. So initially there will be a label called please select the date. So once I select the date as 15, then I need to select the time. And once the hour is selected, the minutes will be enabled. So once I click on set, the selected date will be displayed over here, and then I'll go ahead and select the uh, college, and then it will populate the department, and then I'll select the department, and the final output will be the theater department in college and what build it, this date and the time. Thank you.